So hey guys, welcome to our last video of 2018. Today we will talk about Google Camera app on Redmi Note 4. Yes, I tried this app only my Redmi Note 4, so I can't say about other devices. So let's start. There is a two image you can see. I combine it. The first image is taken by my stock camera app. The second image was taken by Google Camera app. So you can see the difference, not so big difference, but it's a difference. So if you want to download this app on your Redmi Note 4, then go to description and download from the link. Thanks for watching our last video of 2018. The portrait mode on single camera app or portrait mode or Redmi Note 4 is coming on next year. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. #BJSart.